to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. Never been to my channel before. I'm CJ. Hi, honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And today I got a couple of samples. And I haven't had a Pinchme box since the virus came. So I have no idea. One Pinchme box got lost in the mail. So we're going to open this up together. Then I'll show you what else I got too. Another sample. So let's see what's inside my Pinchme box. Okay, let's see. I got eye solution. Limplify eye solution. It works in 1 minute. Lasts for 8 hours. For eye irritation. So I'm going to check this out. Then I got beech nut apple mango spinach. And then I got advanced blister care. And this helps with blisters on the bottom of the shoe. And I also got beech nut veggie chips. And you can try that too. It's made with pea flour, potato starch, rice flour, sweet potatoes. I think this is my Pinchme that was lost in the mail. Okay, I got another Pinchme package. BC powder. I remember this when I was young. It's by Goodies. It's helps with a hangover. And you just add it to your water, or you could get ahead and pour it into your mouth. This is the Percel Pro Clean. I received a sampler and a coupon. They're like a pod, but they're liquid pod. They're great with stain removal. And Hallmark sent me something. So let's open it up and see what's inside Hallmark. They always send me little cute things. And Hallmark sent me envelopes and some cards. Here's for you and here's for everything. We get through this. Oh, this is cute. There's a surprising amount of love in this full piece of paper. And it's all for you. And I believe in unicorns. Especially you. This is to help people during the time of this virus to be able to share social distancing, but still be able to share your feelings. So, up close and personal, just so you can see. Look up close. See what's this. I almost thought I needed my knife. Okay. What is this in here? This is a sample of Valentino Donna. This is new perfume. I always love samples of new perfume. Hit me up in a comment if you've ever tried or heard of Valentino Donna. Let's see. Open it up. It's a new perfume. It looks like this when you get it in a case. And let me smell it and tell you how good it really smells. Take it out of here. What I do like, it's a spray pump. And I like that. But of course, it's a sample, so you know they don't fill it all the way up. But let's see. It smells pretty good. Don't forget, slap that subscribe button, because you want to be a honeybee. Honeybee.